In a world where shadows loom tall, voices echo in the silent hall. Eyes watch from every wall, but through it all we stand unstalled. Truth twisted in a dark disguise, lies are sold as lullabies, but hope still flickers in our eyes. We see through all the thin lies. We rise against the gray, turn the night back into day, break the chains and fly away. No one's taking our hope today. We make our stand for this dream we won't disband. We write our story line by line. In the cracks, our freedom shines against the tide. Though we climb, our spirits fierce, our hearts entwined. We rise against the gray, turn the night back into day, break the chains and fly away. No one's taking our hope today.